Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this blue rhinestone cut crease makeup look. To start, I'm going to use this NYX Avant Pop palette for the blue shade. And I'm going to use this to start to create the shape of the cut crease. Start out using a typical cut crease shape, and I'll be adding a second wing on the sides later. Once I have the shape I want, I start to add more color and blend it out. Next, I use the Jeffree Androgyny palette for the dark blue shade, and I put this kind of in the middle of the eye, adding color to the crease line and then blending it out. Next, with makeup remover and a Q-tip, I'm going to cut the crease and erase any of the excess eyeshadow. Then I'll be using the Loreal Infallible concealer on top of that. Next, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette for the light cream color shade. Next, I'm creating a second wing shape on the sides. Then, using the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, I'm using the white sparkly shade, and I'm adding this to the inner corners. Next, I'm going to be adhering some blue colored rhinestones. Here I'm using a light blue on the inner corners. For the wing shape, I'm using darker blue rhinestones. For the lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'll be topping this with false lashes. For the lips, I'm using a kind of pinky tan colored lipstick. Then on top of that, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Lip Gloss. And that completes this blue rhinestone cut crease makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.